These days, productivity doesn't work without the right set of tools. But using a lot of tools will eventually drop your productivity. What if you could get everything in one app? Notion has a huge template library that has everything inside it. You can manage your class notes, finances, and projects, and even run CRM operations from within Notion. Today, we will talk about the 7 best Notion templates that can transform your productivity and that are absolutely free. So, the first path we will walk is called the second brain. It's a place to gather everything so nothing is lost and your mind can be quiet. As you can see, it is built on a WISE system called PARA. That stands for Projects, Areas, Resources, and Archives. This is a method for organizing information the way you naturally use it. Your projects are the things you are actively working on, like building a canoe. Your areas are your important roles in life, like being a provider or a storyteller. Resources are the things you are learning about, and archives are for everything that is finished. Let us show you this dashboard. It is clean and simple, made to be friendly for beginners. It has a task manager, a project manager, and a goal tracker all in one place. The way it's designed to be lightweight and free of distractions is its strength. For anyone feeling lost in digital chaos, this template is a reliable second brain that you can trust. Now, once you have gathered your thoughts and stories in your second brain, you may wish to share them with the world. This brings us to our second template, the personal portfolio. This tool helps you weave the story of your skills and accomplishments for others to see. It is for the student, the artist, or the professional who wants to show their journey and their work. Many people think you need to know how to build a website to do this, but let us show you how simple this is. This template gives you a beautiful, organized space with sections for your experience, your projects, and your skills, and you don't need to know any code. As you can see, the layout is clean. It makes your work the main focus. This changes Notion from your private workspace into your public face. It's a way to build your personal brand and show potential employers or clients the value you bring, all in one place that you control completely. Following that, we walk a path that looks similar to the second brain but serves a different purpose. This is the Knowledge Vault's template. While a second brain is for gathering everything, a Knowledge Vault is like an elder's library, a special place for your most valuable learnings. It is for the person who is a lifelong learner, who wants to store knowledge from books, articles, or podcasts and return to it later to deepen their understanding. It is designed for you to track and review what you learn. You can categorize everything by type and status, so you always know what you're studying. This is not just a pile of notes. It is a curated collection of wisdom. It helps you build your own personal library of knowledge, which makes you a more thoughtful and informed person. From the quiet library of the mind, we now turn to the daily journey of a student. This fourth path is the aesthetic student planner. Sometimes the way a tool looks and feels is just as important as what it does. This is especially true for students who face long hours of study. As you can see, it is designed to be beautiful and engaging. Some might say it's just for looks, but we have found that is not true. It has everything a student needs: a tracker for assignments, a class schedule, a weekly planner, and a place for notes and exams. But did you notice the colors, the layout, the little details? They create a calm and motivating space. It turns the chore of organization into a creative act. This template shows us that productivity doesn't have to be cold and gray. It can be warm, personal, beautiful, and can make the path of learning a little easier to walk each day. This leads us to our fifth template, the ultimate tasks. This is for the person who needs a powerful system for managing tasks and big projects. It was built to bring the best features of dedicated task apps right into your Notion workspace. It has a master database for all your tasks, but it also has what are called smart views. As you can see, you can look at just your tasks for today, for tomorrow, or for the next 7 days. This helps you focus on what is right in front of you. It also has advanced features like creating sub-tasks for big projects, setting up recurring tasks that repeat automatically, and even a cold tasks feature to hide old tasks and keep your space clean. This is a serious tool for productivity. It provides the structure and power you need to turn your biggest plans into completed actions. Our next template helps us track our expenses well: the Finance Hub. This template brings all your financial information into one central place, helping you move from worry to clarity. It is designed for everyone: students, freelancers, or anyone who wants to understand where their money is going. As you can see here, you can track everything: your different bank accounts, your monthly income, your expenses, and even those subscriptions that are easy to forget about. One of the most powerful things we noticed is how it lets you see transfers between your accounts, so you get a true picture of your financial health. While some apps do this automatically, using this template requires you to enter your transactions yourself. We believe this is a strength. This simple act of recording makes you more aware of your habits. It connects you to your financial life in a way that a simple bank statement cannot. Finally, we arrive at our last template, the Automated Habit Tracker. This template is designed to make that consistency as easy as the flow of a river. Its greatest strength is automation. With its reoccurring task system, the habits you want to build, like exercising, reading, or meditating, reset themselves every day, week, or month without you having to do anything. You just click one to mark a habit as done. This removes the small effort of managing the system, so you can put all your energy into doing the habit itself. It also tracks your progress over time, showing you trends and helping you stay motivated. This tool turns Notion into an active partner that helps you build good routines, rather than just a place where you write them down. It is a powerful ally for anyone seeking to build a more disciplined and intentional life. So, these are the 7 best free Notion templates that can entirely change your productivity. Which one is for you? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.